Want to know how I make this body scrub with just two ingredients? It's very good for skin exfoliating, and also it's going to brighten up your skin and remove dark spots. Please stay tuned as we make it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Today we are going to be making dry sugar scrub. Without not wasting you guys time, so let's get to the video. So I have my brown sugar here in the bowl. You need the brown sugar. This one, you even if you don't measure it, doesn't have any problem. So you can use as much as you want. So I have my salt here, my sea salt for scrub. I'm going to be adding not too much sea salt. I'll be adding my sea salt to it. Then also my white sugar. Why am I doing it like this? In case if there is any stone sugar, I would use my hand to melt it. So it's okay like this. Then I will be adding my carrot oil to it. I can't do with carrot oil, guys. I can't do with carrot oil without not adding it to my scrub. I can't do that, okay? Then the next ingredient I will be adding to it is lemon. Lemon juice is a good lighting property. If you want to lighten up your skin or your body in a natural way, you should get used to lemon. Lemon is very good in get rid of dark spots and dark patches, okay? So I'll be needing lemon. It doesn't mean even if the seed is inside, maybe you can later remove it, okay? Then I'll be adding one lemon, okay? So squeeze it inside. The next ingredient I will be using is lime. Lime is another lighting property. It's a good lighting property when you want to get rid of dark spots, dark patches, or you want to lighten up your skin. So you should go ahead and use that. So I'll be using only one lime. You see, I'm going to be squeezing it. The juice, you need the juice, guys. This lime and lemon is going to help you to lighten anywhere you have dark patches. If you have spot on that particular body on your skin, this scrub is good. If you have stretch mark, you can use it to wash where you have stretch mark. First, you'll be needing lime. If you want to use it on your stretch mark area, first you are going to be using this particular lime to clean that place before applying this scrub, okay? So next I'm going to be turning it together. You know we call it dry scrub, okay? Going to be turning it together, mixing those lemon inside. Going to mix it very well. Going to be mixing it very well, okay? If you are the kind of person that wants your scrub to scent nice, you can add essential oil to it. Just a little drop of essential oil. Remember, we call it dry sugar scrub, okay? So it's dry sugar scrub. There are different types of scrub. This one is dry sugar scrub. So you are going to have something like this. Voila, our scrub is ready. You can see the scrub is ready. Then I'll be needing something like this. Make sure you mix everything together very well, okay? Then I'm going to mix everything together and let them mix very well. Then you can see that our dry coffee scrub is ready. Then I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it in my bowl. You can see. This does not need preservation. You can keep it inside your bedroom or anytime you want to bathe. You can use it to scrub. You can use it in your down area. If you just shave and you are having those spots there, you can use it. This can be used also in your armpits, guys. You can use this one in your armpits. So you can use this particular one in your armpit. You can use it in your face. You can use it to scrub your lips as well. You can see our dry sugar scrub is ready. This one is not even the one that you say, let me go and buy the ingredients online. This one is very easy to do with just how many ingredients? 2 ingredients. You only need sugar, brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use only white sugar and sea scrub, okay? Sea salt scrub, okay? And even if you don't have the sea salt scrub, you can definitely use only brown sugar and white sugar and just lemon juice. Only add lemon juice to it. You can see our scrub is ready. You can see. Use it to scrub anywhere you want to use it to scrub, okay? So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share this video with friends and family. I will be seeing you guys on my next video. I love you guys.